Hey people, welcome to SB Cooks. Today let's make crunchy snack nippattu. Firstly, let's take 1 seer rice flour, sieve it properly. Take mixie jar, add chilies, ginger, garlic, cumin, dhania and some salt and grind it well. Take kadai, add half seer water, paste which we have grind early, 2 tablespoons chili powder, soaked chana dal and moong dal, 1 spoon butter, some salt as per your taste, add rice flour, mix all ingredients well. I added some curry leaves to it, add some water and form a soft dough as shown here. Take small chunks, roll it with your hand and keep it aside. Take a polythene sheet and grease it with oil. Place those hand knead chunks between sheet and press it using a bowl and flatten it. Repeat same process. Let's check if oil is ready for deep fry. Yeah, now it's ready. Deep fry all flattened dough. Fry until it turns golden brown. Tasty nippattu is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.